Hello and welcome to our latest video on the upcoming drone technology in 2023. Drones have become an increasingly popular tool for photography, videography, and surveillance, and the technology is constantly evolving. In this video, we will be taking a closer look at the features and advancements in drone technology that we can expect to see in the coming years. Design. One of the most exciting rumors about the future of drone technology is the development of modular drones. These drones will be built with interchangeable components that can be swapped out for different purposes. For example, one module may be equipped with a high-resolution camera for aerial photography, while another module may be equipped with sensors for surveying land or detecting changes in temperature. Camera. The camera is always an important feature on any drone, and in 2023, we can expect to see even more advanced camera technology on drones. Some of the rumored advancements include 360-degree cameras, enhanced image stabilization, and higher resolution sensors. This will allow drone operators to capture even more stunning aerial footage and photographs. Flight time and range. One of the biggest challenges with drone technology has always been battery life and flight range. However, in 2023, we can expect to see significant improvements in this area. Some of the rumored advancements include better battery technology, increased flight time, and longer range capabilities. This will allow drone operators to fly for longer periods of time and cover greater distances, making them even more useful for tasks like surveying land or inspecting buildings. Safety features. As drones become more popular and more widely used, safety features are becoming increasingly important. In 2023, we can expect to see even more advanced safety features on drones, such as collision avoidance technology, automated emergency landing systems, and improved GPS tracking. These features will help to prevent accidents and ensure that drones are operated safely and responsibly. Regulations. Finally, as drone technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see changes in regulations and laws surrounding their use. In the coming years, we may see new rules and restrictions put in place to ensure that drones are operated safely and in compliance with local laws. This may include requirements for licensing and training, as well as restrictions on where drones can be flown and for what purposes. Drone technology in 2023 is set to be even more advanced and innovative than ever before. With modular drones, advanced camera technology, improved flight time and range, enhanced safety features, and changes in regulations, we can expect to see drones being used for an even wider range of tasks and applications. Whether you're a professional photographer, a surveyor, or simply a hobbyist, the future of drone technology is looking very exciting indeed. Thank you for watching our video on the future of drone technology in 2023. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.